Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We have finished revising class 11 syllabus twice and this is the second time revision of class 12 syllabus, and today we are going to do 15 MCQs from the chapters that you're seeing on your screens. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. Test tube baby means a baby born when? Option A, it develops in a test tube. Option B, it develops from a non-fertilized egg. Option C, it develops through tissue culture method. Or option D, the ovum is fertilized externally. Test tube baby means a baby born when? The correct answer is option D, when the ovum is fertilized externally. Question number 2. The latest technique is to produce a child through GIFT. The full form of GIFT is gamete internal fertilization and transfer, gamete intrafallopian transfer, gamete internal fallopian transplant, or option D, general internal fallopian transfer. Full form of GIFT is, correct answer is option B, that is gamete intrafallopian transfer. Question number 3. The chemical method of contraception includes jellies, creams and foams, OC pills, all of above. The chemical method of contraception includes. Correct answer is option D, all of above. Question number 4. The success of birth control programs in controlling population growth is dependent on. Success of birth control programs in controlling the population growth is dependent on using contraceptives, tubectomy, vasectomy, option D, acceptability of the above by people. Correct answer is option D, acceptability of the above by the people. No matter what contraceptive you introduce, until and unless it is not accepted by the people, it cannot be a success. So for the success of birth control programs, acceptability of the people is the most important thing. Question number 5. Action of jellies and creams is spermicidal and immobilizing the sperm, entangles the sperm, prevents ova from getting released, enables sperm to reach ova faster. Action of jellies and creams is. Correct answer is option A. These are spermicidal and help in immobilizing the sperm. Question number 6. The method of sterilization is loop, IUDs, diaphragm, tubectomy. Method of sterilization is. Correct answer is option D, tubectomy. Question number 7. Surgical removal of uterus is called as vasectomy, tubectomy, hysterectomy, testectomy. Surgical removal of uterus is called as. Correct answer is option C, that is hysterectomy. Question number 8. The prenatal detection of genetic disorders can be carried out by which of the following processes can be used to detect genetic disorders prenatally before the child is born? Laparoscopy, amniocentesis, X-rays or CT scans? Correct answer is option B, amniocentesis. Question number 9. Rate at which newborn individuals are joining the population by reproduction is known as natality, fertility, contractability, or fatality. The rate at which the newborn individuals are joining the population by reproduction is known as. The correct answer is option A, natality. Question number 10. The rate of human population growth is directly proportional to good weather, directly proportional to industrial development, inversely proportional to education, directly proportional to use of drugs. The rate of human population growth is. The correct answer is option C, it is inversely proportional to education. So the more educated people would be, the rate of population growth would be lower. Question number 11. Copper tea prevents ovulation, fertilization, implantation, or both implantation and fertilization. copper T, which is an intrauterine device, the mode of action of copper T is? Correct answer is option D, both preventing fertilization as well as implantation. Question number 12. Amniocentesis involves the analysis of amnion, body fluid of amniote, amniotic fluid, yolk sac fluid. Correct answer is option C, that is analysis of amniotic fluid. Question number 13. Progesterone pill helps in preventing pregnancy by not allowing ovulation, fertilization, implantation, sperm entry. What is the mode of action of progesterone pills? Correct answer is option A. It prevents ovulation. Question number 14. Trade name of once a week OC pill is Mala N, Saheli, Mala D or Mala A. Trade name of once a week OC pill is? Correct answer is option B, Saheli. Question number 15. Surrogate mother is used for induction of lactation, artificial insemination, transplantation of embryo, or option D as a egg donor. Surrogate mother is used for? Correct answer is option C, for transplantation of embryo. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow at this very place, this very time, with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next chapter of class 12 NCERT biology. So do read that chapter up before attempting tomorrow's MCQ session. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.